Alright, you guys. It's a '03 V6. I'm getting some weird engine ticking. I just got my exhaust manifold fixed up. The driver's side manifold, exhaust manifold, was leaking. It had a crack in it, and the auto shop welded it up, and that fixed that problem. But now it either sounds like another exhaust leak or an engine tick of some sort. So I'm going to try to pinpoint the noise for you. It seems it gets worse if I put it in gear with the brake on. It's an automatic, so it puts a little strain on the engine by doing that. It kind of puts it under load, but so I'm gonna try to pinpoint the noise for you and see what we can do. My power steering pump is a noisy son of a gun, so can't hear it through the power steering pump. I'm sorry, but maybe I'll get something out of this. It's on the passenger side. Let me see if we can hear it down there. Hold on, let me turn it off real quick. Alright, well, about the best I can do. It sounds like it's coming from the passenger side closest to the firewall. Seems to be like a lapping, like as the engine's running, it kind of, every time that certain spot goes around, it makes that noise. It's what it kind of sounds like. I don't know if I caught it on video. I use the HD camera, so hopefully. Let me know what you guys think.